We're talking about ownership and borrowing. So here you can see an example of we have defined an enum, then we have defined a function which takes input as light, and then we have defined a main function where we have first created an object for that enum, then sorry, a variable for that enum, then passed uh, that variable, and we have called this display light without borrowing 2 times. But when you call it on the second time, you will get an error. The reason for that is, so if you check what I have written, so when you call display light without borrowing for the first time, the enum's ownership is moved from main to display light without borrowing. So once display light without borrowing is executed, my light 1 is automatically removed from memory. So if you try to call display light without borrowing again and pass my light 1, you get an error saying use of moved value my light 1 value used here after move rusty. This is because my light 1 is no longer in scope and is destroyed already. To overcome this, you should use borrowing. So I will show you the same example of how to do it with borrowing. So I have defined an enum. Now I have defined this another function display light with borrowing, but here you can see I'm passing the light but an ampersand is appended to it. This is called as borrowing, and I'm calling the same display light without borrowing twice. So in this case, we don't move light to display light without borrowing, we are just borrowing it. So you can call display light without borrowing multiple times, as main function is the owner of my light 1 variable, and my light 1 will be destroyed once main function is terminated. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.